What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. That's right, I'm back where we were last time, and today we are going to start off sanding everything down. So I'm going to sand down the side, we're going to sand down the back, we're going to prime everything, we're going to paint the corners, and we'll be on our way. If you guys didn't catch the last video, we fixed all of the damage on the side here, we repaired a rust hole here, and we repaired a rust hole there. You can see the paint doesn't match perfectly, but what we're going to do is we're going to paint down this entire corner from there to there, including this bottom section here, all the way to tie into this corner. We're going to paint this entire corner right up to the body line there, take care of that little bit of surface rust that's left, and we should be good to go. And if you're wondering what I'm going to be painting it with, I will be using this. It is like a gravel guard. It does have like a nice texture, almost kind of like halfway between a sandpaper and a truck bed liner. It is quite nice and quite durable. I've been using it for a bit. As you can see, the Jeep is still filthy, but for now I think it is time to start sanding everything down and get it ready for paint. It is the next day. It did start to rain and it was getting a little bit dark, so we figured we'd continue on today, and we got a bit done already. So thanks to a lot of help that I've had from my brother and from my girlfriend yesterday, we pretty much got everything prepped. The only thing I have left is to sand this side down, get this side prepped. We already removed the tail lights. As you can see, it's basically 3 screws, and after you get the cover off, which is 4 screws, it's another 3. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna grind this down with the grinder to get that little bit of rust off right there. This side doesn't look too bad. We've already got this side prepped. We're gonna end up painting the hinges as well, so you can see I've masked everything off but the hinges. And this side is prepped as well. Well, I'm gonna need to tape it off more, but that's after I close the door. So let me prep everything, let me sand everything, and we'll be able to hit it with the primer. Now we got everything masked, we have the surface prepped. I did sand down this as best as I could. Even though it's already rough, I probably made it smoother than it was. It is what it is at this point. I'm sure that the primer will still stick to it. So we're gonna hit this corner, both of the back corners here, or I should say the side, this corner, that corner, this rail, as well as the hinges from both sides, so that we get on the inside of the hinges there. And like I said, that corner, I am going to end up spraying the bumper and this, as well as the lift blocks for now, because they are all metal, so I need to coat it. And this section. So let's start with the primer and let's get going, because it is already 11:11 p.m. and I have to be on the trail at 12 a.m., which means I got to leave my house at 9 a.m. So it's going to be an interesting night. I'd say it came out pretty damn good. The primer is dry. I waited the 3 hours. Now we are ready to go and coat it with the black. Came out pretty damn good. I'm super happy with the coverage, and yeah, I think we're ready. The other side, if you guys were wondering why I'm doing this side as well, because it was already coated, it's because I had to go up like an inch on that side and I didn't want it to look uneven. So I basically went and did both sides the same. So now they should look pretty much even, and yeah. Well, 6 cans later, 3 cans of primer. I think it came out pretty good. But it is now 3:43 in the morning, so I will see you guys when I wake up. I'm super happy with how it came out. There is a bit of dust and debris from taking all the tape off, but we'll take care of that once we get outside. And I did leave the corners painted here as well because those do like to rust, but the rest I left so that the actual weather stripping has something to seal to. But it's looking pretty good. I got the lines down pretty much where I wanted them. This side also came out great. You can still see the line a little bit at some sections, but that's not a big deal. Honestly, super happy with how it came out. Let's get the tail lights back on and let's get her outside. Well, now that we got her outside, it's looking pretty good. That paint line came out pretty great, actually, better than I expected. And inside the corner here as well, almost looks like it's a separate panel or like a laid over panel. I think it came out awesome. And you can see the texture of it should hold up pretty well. I do need to clean up a little bit of the dust and stuff that came off when I did take off the actual tape and all of that stuff, but so far it's not looking too bad. I'm actually really satisfied. From the side and from the back, not too bad at all. I think that came out really clean. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you guys like it. But I think that's about it for today's video. I do got to go off-roading and I'm going to take this thing out right about now. So just like this video started, the next video is going to start basically right where I'm ending this one off. So if you guys want to catch that and want to see me take this thing off-road, definitely jump down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what you guys want to see, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then, guys, ride safe out there. Peace.